In this video, I'm going to show you quickly how to do a crocheted edge. Sometimes when you're doing a garment or something around the edge, they ask you to do a single crochet all around the edge just to finish it off and give it a nice look. It's not complicated. Even if you don't know how to crochet, it's okay. It's not hard. Use a hook size that's similar to the needle sizes you use to knit the garment. And what you're going to do is you're going to go into your knitted fabric. Now, I try not to go in too low. You want to come in just underneath, like one row, we would say, where you see the two legs. So we can see the two legs here. So we want to go there. It's right on the edge. And I'm going to go ahead and wrap the yarn around the hook. Sorry, I'm going to wrap the yarn around the hook and bring it through my knitted fabric. Once I have one loop, I'm just going to take my tail yarn with my right side and my working yarn is with my left side. And I'm going to wrap my working yarn around my hook. So my hook goes in front, under, and it grabs the working yarn and I pull it in through that loop. There's one. Then I'm going to go into my next stitch. Sometimes if a pattern is asking you to do this, they'll say every stitch, every 2 stitches, every 3. They'll give you a guidance as to how often. And if they don't, just try and, if you're using the same size hook, you might just want to go into every single stitch you have, because if it's the same size hook, it should be similar. So I'm going to come in, grab my working yarn, pull it through, grab my working yarn, and now I'm going to pull it through both stitches, both loops that were on the hook. I'm going to go ahead, go into my next hole, again my 2 legs, grab my working yarn, bring it through. I'm going to grab the working yarn again and bring it through both loops on my hook. And to the next one. And as you're doing this, I think I did a funky cast on with this because it's hard to find my stitches. But as you're doing this, it'll start making sense and it'll just work nicely. Yeah, my edge here I did a special cast on, so it's hard to find all my stitches. So when that happens, I'm just winging it, hoping that trying to keep an even distance so that it looks nice. But essentially what you're creating is an edge like this that's decorative, and whether you're using the same color or a different color, it makes the garment look finished and really nice. So if they're suggesting it, I encourage you to try it.